Okay, welcome to another episode of how to do it. This time I'm going to teach you how to, after installing your Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 7 on your computer, what it needs to be done, right? So the first thing is, we go to the computer. The first thing after installing, you need to make clean installation. One mistake that I did was that I installed I had an Intel Core i5, and then I tried to install the AMD Ryzen, just the window load and reload everything and all the services, but with the same configuration that I had before. So the performance was affected. That's why better always to do a clean installation every time you try to install Ryzen or AMD processor, right? So the first thing to do after installing your AMD is to go into the AMD website. You go to amd.com, and on the website you're gonna select AMD Ryzen Master Utility for overclock control. This is very important if you want to overclock your CPU. You can do it from the system. It's a very powerful tool. So we go here to the AMD and we just download and install this one here that we got on the screen. Now the second one will be the drivers. AMD driver processor works better once you install. It's like installing the chipset for this CPU, and it will work much better for you. So what you're gonna do is go to amd.com, click on drivers and support. Here you're gonna select processor, which is a CPU, AMD Ryzen, and you're gonna select the type of Ryzen that you have. My case is the Ryzen 5 1600. You download it and you submit and download and install it.